Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a ThruNite TN4A. Now, it comes in this box, comes with this welcome note from them, comes with an extra set of O-rings, and it comes with a new rubber grommet for the power switch, comes with the user manual, comes with a very nice, very high quality holster. I was very impressed with this. One of my surprises that they sent such a high quality holster with this light. And it also comes with the lanyard. And it comes with this light. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you here. Now, I went ahead and made arrangements with ThruNite Direct and was able to obtain this light through their direct store on Amazon. So I appreciate the opportunity to go ahead and review this light. So now I just want to basically go into this light here runs on AA batteries, 4 of them. Okay, and there's the size comparison with the ThruNite TN4A on your far right hand side, and you'll see that those are very comparable in sizes, not much difference. Okay, now that I've shown you similar flashlights with the same type of configuration with the 4AA, now we're going to go ahead and get started on showing you the build quality on this. And I'm very impressed. This has got really good anodizing. Machining is flawless. This has got really extra duty non-grip, so you can get a good grip on that so it won't slip out of your hands. And it's just a quality light through and through. I'll go ahead and show you the reflector there. Very nice. Orange peel textured reflectors, got the steel bezel, so that'll help out if you want to set it down and not worry about scratching it. It does come with a lanyard here, which I've already attached, and it is a very good quality. Very nice. The button is completely flush with the body itself. That's kind of nice. That is really nice finishing. That's very, very similar to the Nitecore and the Emerald. Very good quality. Very nice quality. Alright, well let's go ahead now and get this open and I'll show you some more details on this. Okay, now that I'm taking this light apart for you guys, I'll show you the insides here. Show you the spring, well lubricated threads on this light as well. And we're going to go ahead and show you. Take out the cartridge. Alright, I'll slowly take this out. And this is a battery carrier, or you can call it a cartridge, whatever way. And this is, I've seen this on my other little bit bigger lights, so this is one of my first that I've seen on a smaller light. Seems like very good quality building. I'm using the Duracell 2400 milliamp. These have been doing really well for me as for powering this light and as well as my other ones. I'm going to go ahead and show you threads on that. They're very well lubricated. And it's just a hollow tube. What I'll do is I'll take one of these batteries out so you can see the springs in the cartridge. And those are the springs that are in the cartridge itself. Very nice quality. Alright, I'll put that last battery in. Okay. So I put the battery back in there, and I'm going to get this light back together. I just want to go over this holster because this is probably some of the best quality I've run across in a holster that comes with a flashlight. And I mean that respectively. It actually has a padding inside here that's thick to protect that flashlight from being hit. Now it is normal. This would be normal on the sides on a normal holster, but this is thick padding on here, and that's just really nice quality coming from ThruNite. Very impressed with that. Okay, next we'll look over the user manual. Kind of a small one. See if I can zoom in here on the outputs. 1150 lumens on turbo, 550 on high, 139 lumens on medium. Low is 15 lumens, and moonlight is 0.5 lumens. Okay, I'll show you the rest of the manual here. And it is waterproof, IPX8. And that's really nice to know. And we're going to go ahead and get started now on the UI. So the UI basically is very simple. To activate moonlight, you will press and hold to get the 0.5 lumens. Press and hold it again. Low, medium, high. Low, medium, high. And if you want from any of the levels, you double click, you get turbo. Now from turbo, double click again, you get strobe. Simple click that off, it'll go back on. Go through the modes again. Now from high, I'll double click it. Turbo, double click again. Now we can go into camera unfocus with all the brightness there. And you can turn that on. It'll memorize the last mode you had it on, which I had it on high. Cycle that back down. So it's press and hold to get to the light output that you want. And it's very, very easy to use. And that's basically it. I guess we can go ahead and take this outside and see how it does out there in the wilderness. We're out here on this very windy night tonight. And we do have the ThruNite. I'm going to start on the lowest setting, which you can't see it at all, but it is there. And I don't even think you can make it about 3 feet from in front of you, and that's about it. Alright, I'm going to go to the next output. Alright. Alright. That is making usually the 25 feet. And not doing too bad. I'm having some issues with my camera here. And that's from the 25-foot range. And I'm not going to go too far because it's not going to go too well beyond that. And I'm sorry again for the wind. Real windy here today. Or should I say tonight. And it is the north wind, so I do have a mask on my face because dust is everywhere. Alright, so we're going to go to the next level. Now that's looking really good. Usually making that 35 feet away and along the fence. "25 feet. We're going to go to the Tree of Life. Usually making the Tree of Life, which that alone is impressive, because this is only 4 AA's powering this. Very nice. Okay, we're going to go to the next level after this. And there's the next level. And that is really nice. I'm going to hold it up above my shoulders to give you a good, usually making 3 or 4 trees back there. It looks like it's making it across the park. And it is faint, but it is making it across 25 feet away. We're going to go to the Tree of Life. Usually making the Tree of Life. And it's now making the school. Alright. Very windy out here. And now we're going to go to Turbo. And there's Turbo. Wow. And that's the beam right there. Me pointing it straight ahead. That's how wide the beam is. Really nice. Okay, we're going to pan around on this last one. I'm going to hold it up. Usually making the Tree of Life. This has a real nice Kelvin as well. 5000 K. Usually making those trees in the back. It's got some good throw. And we're on the Tree of Life again. That's 130 feet away. Lifting up above my shoulders. And it's faintly making across the park, if you can see that. That's really good. It's not a throwing beam, but it's definitely real floody. And that is truly amazing for it to make it that far out. Make it along the fence there for a long ways. That's doing really, really good. Show you the beam here in the sky with all the wind blowing. And we'll end this with the Tree of Life. And that tree is now starting to turn green with leaves. That looks nice. All right. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Good job, ThruNite. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This is another great performer. It's hard to believe that this is running on 4AA. It surprised the heck out of me, that's for sure. It's not a super thrower, but it throws out a ton of light, and it's completely 100% usable. You don't have that tunnel where it's bright in the center and you kind of lose, light output as it goes out to the spill. 100% of this light is usable, and that is impressive. I'm giving this light, just based on its performance, the build quality, I'm giving this a perfect 10. It deserves it. It performed really beyond my expectations. Well, that's all I have to say about this light. Just want to let you know that I enjoyed testing and reviewing this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Take care.